if you're unable to get WhatsApp notifications like these ones, so that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem if you're unable to get WhatsApp notifications on your home screen just like that. Just watch this video until the end and let's get started if you're a fan of phone tips tricks. So look for phone settings, irrespective of the type of phone you have and all that. Tap phone settings and then scroll down and look for applications. So every phone will have applications, and then you got to select manage apps. Select manage apps, and then you're going to look for the application which on which the notifications are not being shown. That's WhatsApp. So we are going to select WhatsApp, the down one. So we're going to select WhatsApp, and then it will direct us to this. If you're a fan of phone tips tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join the family. So now when you tap WhatsApp, this is what happens. This is what you need to pay attention to, and the most important part, you're going to see the word notification somewhere there. Tap on notifications, and then you're going to see this needs to be toggled on for you to get notifications on your home screen. So toggle that on. So when you toggle that on, you should be able to get notification from now and onwards. So basically, let me know down in the comment section if this worked for you.